Anything for the camera, Steve? Hi, what's your name?
Linda.
What level do you play in?
Beginner.
Beginner? What division do you play in?
D2.
And what's your name?
Savita.
What's the name of your team?
Six pack.
Excellent.
Six-pack attack.
Hi. How do you like the clinic?
It's very helpful so far.
You're learning?
So, yeah, quite a bit.
You're gonna tell your friends?
Yes, I certainly will.
Hey Brenda, how do you like the clinic?
The what?
How do you like the clinic?
Awesome!
Don't. Don't. So what'd you think of the clinic?
It's like I'm on City TV or something.
Don't. No, this is for the year-end party.
It is.
Maybe we'll ask Lisa Gilroy what she thought of this clinic.
It's wonderful.
Don't. Oh, now we get to watch Bridget serve. Let's see how well her practice was. Ooh, too much Wheaties for Bridget. All right, Bridget's coming off the court. We can get a personal interview, but... Oh, here goes Donna. No, wait, we're going to follow her around. She's camera shy. Oh, yes, every now. It's with Brenda.
Did you get that one up?
Of course. Oh, he didn't learn the happy face correctly.